everything likes to be known, especially with loss control, risk engineering. We don't like surprises. So if all of a sudden you're going to start bringing in a bunch of workers that have never done this before, I can remember in the 90s where if you lived in a house that had drywall, we'd make you a drywaller because there's such a shortage of employees that can do that type of work. And then when you see that, you also see injury spike because they've never done it. They don't know how to do it. They're sore. They get hurt more often just because they've never been there to do it or trained properly. And that's another thing is, we got to train these workers that are coming in on how to do this because a lot of them have never done it. We can also go, a lot of people are like, we'll use, foreign workers, or we can maybe, import workers, Latin America coming in. Well, they're having the same issues that the rest of it's a global issue. It's just not a United States issue. China in 2015 abolished their one-child labor law because it affects the economy, right? They don't have the workers that they need to pay for their older workers. Latin America's birth rates have dropped, dramatically. So we're not seeing the workers going to be coming in to the United States because they're not producing these same people either. Their birth rates are down, just the way America's birth rates are down. Contractors could reach out to the trade unions. They can reach out to, the high schools. They can, why is it, go out to the job fairs, right? And say, here's why you would want to work here. OSHA's even going to make it harder for construction workers, right? So if construction company A, who has an accident history of, twice of what construction B has, and they both offer him the same job, where do you think he's going to go work, right? So OSHA's going to start publishing people's loss records and their OSHA 300 logs with their names. Millennials like to do research where they're going to work, not so much with the older generation, right? Everyone knew, hey, I've heard about this company, they're a good company. Well, a lot of other people do a lot more research, and there's going to be more information available about the contractor's safety records that's going to be available to these younger workers. So you want to make yourself, more attractive to those type of younger workers.